welcome to my channel. I'm hyped, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little hyped. So I really wanted to make this YouTube because for a long time, you know, I've been in retail, I've done styling, I've done creative content on social media for different companies. I've done so many things pertaining to fashion, so I feel like it's only right to really like share more about that side of me and what I think and my opinions, because a lot of people always ask me. So I mean, I think the best thing to do is share. Like, there's nothing wrong with sharing. Sharing is caring, spreading love. It's the Brooklyn way. That's where I'm from. That's how we do it. So that's what I want to do. Share all my love, all my knowledge, everything that I know, and hopefully it can help all my ladies really, you know, step outside their comfort zone or feel more comfortable with their style, or maybe find their own sense of style. I just want to help. I just want us all to be outside, looking fly, feeling good all the time. So because I am known for style, like that, you know, which is my business. Go check the website out. But because I'm known for that, I just wanted to share and just, you know, give my input. Whether if it's hauls, I know a lot of y'all like the thrifting videos that I did. Y'all like the everyday lounge wears and stuff like that. So I'm gonna just share more of that, and hopefully you guys could take from it. But today, I wanted to do a haul, right? I do want to first say this haul is not sponsored. I spent my own money right now. Yo, say before my phone fell on the floor that this is the most I've shopped ever online. So I wanted to really like try to buy from places that are pretty popular, from what I know, from what my friends tell me, from their online shopping, like where they buy their shoes or where they buy their little pieces, because I'm used to going in the store. I'm in the store trying on. Obviously right now you can't try on because of COVID, so I'm like, might as well order and try on at my house, you know. So I shopped at SIMMI Shoes, which is a UK brand, I believe. I did international overnight shipping because that's another thing with the shopping. Like, I want my stuff now. If I spend my money, I want to see where my money went. So I paid the extra $20 for shipping, I think, to get this overnighted, and it really came overnight. So I'm actually hyped about that. I want to see what these shoes are like. I don't know what their sizing is like. My feet, I could be between a 39.5 and a 41, depending on the shoe, if it's European or what. I kind of have a wide foot when it wants to be. So I'm in between so many sizes. I'm very nervous. Like, I'm so nervous. So this, I got UK 7, EU 40, size 9. In my head, I'm usually a 40. Oh, this box is cute. I love like any nude color box. Oh, cute. Oh, 10% off your next order. Okay, see me. Thank you. So it comes with this on the inside. Invoice. And I don't know why, but I feel like I don't own anything green. Look at these. Ooh. Get into the shoe. It better fit, because I'm going to be upset if it don't. God, I'm so hype. Look at that. That's done well. That is done well. Okay, SIMMI. SIMMI. I hope I'm saying it right. It is from London. SIMMI London. So this one was $49. US, which isn't bad. I honestly feel like the quality is good. It's not, there's a little grip here. It feels like it's padded. I have the tendency to hate, I don't want to say it, but cheaper shoes, because I hate when it curves up, because to me it feels like it's harder for me to walk. But this actually looks pretty flat. I like that it has this little heel that's thick, because some people, we have it on the heels and then we get the heel tapping and the heel clacking, and then there's no heel, and then we gotta get them replaced. So I'm gonna slip these on really quick for you, like really fast, because I'm really curious. Oh, yes. these are sexy. These are sexy. These are sexy. I will put my foot up in the camera, but I'm gonna show you later. But I love these. I love this color green. I think this might be my color for the season. Oh my god. Look at, let's just get into it really quick. Yeah, I'm into that. And I have the habit of, if I love it, I need every color. So we're gonna start with green. That's so cute. I'm excited about those. They do fit, by the way. I'll do a little photo so you can see exactly what it looks like on my foot, or video. But that's a good shoe for that price. I am not mad at all. I decided to do everybody's favorite little store. Pretty little things. Pretty little. Pretty little. Pretty little. Oh my god. I'm probably the first one who ever ordered Pretty Little Things ever in life. This is my first time ever in life. The first time I did order something, I think it was like Black Friday or something, or they had a sale. They definitely canceled my order. They canceled it. So I kind of had that little bad taste in my mouth with ordering online, you know. I'm like, let me just take a leap of faith because I really needed some extra looks. I think I got like 14 items total. I got these shoes. It's just already here. Let me just take them out. These little sandals. They're actually cute. They're actually cute. Online, they're reminding me of like a denim almost. And I kind of wanted something that looks like denim to go with my little denim look that I'm trying to pull off. But these are kind of cute. Oh, they fit. They fit. They look really cute. I'm a little ashy, so as soon as I lotion up, then I'm going to show you what these look like. And we have this. So I got these pants. Oh, these are nice. I'm actually very hyped because I thought it was more like a linen, but it's actually more like a sheer situation, but not too sheer because of the print. These look a little snatched, but we'll see. I got this. I think I got everything in a size 6. I got the bra. Oh, this is cute. I know a lot of girls, we like this thing. Some of us, I mean, the wire does feel a little hard, so hopefully it doesn't cut into me. But there's no padding either. So I got this to match the bottom. With the bottom, because I honestly feel like this is one of those looks where I'm gonna wear the outfit, but I want to take the bottom off to you know, to have us still have the look matching. I didn't get, there was a top to go with this that ties to long sleeve, but oh, this feels good too. This is hella cute. If you guys know me, you've seen me wear a lot of button downs because I wear them so many ways. Like this is long enough to wear as a almost like a dress. I will wear this tied, I will wear this tuck, I will wear this open, I will wear the sleeves rolled up, sleeve cuffed, so many different ways. But this I can actually wear in the fall too. And it's a lightweight, so I can layer it. Got the bottoms to match. Leave it buttoned like this, a little open, and then just have that bottom, some cute little sandals or something. And then of course like I have like a black bandeau, and then do that look. Clearly I'm into the prints. Another print. I don't know if it's just me, but when I go on vacays or trips or travel anywhere, I try to have a variety of colors. I own a lot of things that are versions of each other when it comes to color and when it comes to fit. I went through everything and I have shades of blue, but I don't have a print blue. This is fire. It's almost like the same as that, but this is actually more sheer. It's kind of like the pant. So you can't really see through completely, but so this is what I was thinking of wearing with the sandals, right? But this is really cute too. So that's that. My last print of the whole package is this little number here. Fitted. I feel like it's gonna be super fitted. I feel like I got it in a smaller size. 8, okay, so which is a US 4. Lightweight, sheer as well, but not too see-through. I'm 5'3", so I feel like it should hit me like to the floor. But this is cute. I mean, it's breathable, it's good for a cover-up or just like literally just a dress. So I'm excited about this piece actually. Now for the solids. So once again, like, I think about colors and I think about prints when I go on vacation or travel, but I also try to balance it out. Like if I'm doing all of those prints, I'm like, I need some solids. So I got this Scuba bodysuit, bathing suit slash situation with a zip, which, you know, is good for the girls. Show little girls off. I really love, because it's like surfer vibes almost. And then there's like seams here, which might give me a little curve, you know, just like really hug the body. Literally everything I got, UK 10, which is a US 6, because I'm usually a medium. Like, besides that, like last printed dress, because I wanted it to be super snug around my waist, because your girl's losing a little weight. You know, I'm excited to see what the fits is giving us. I'm excited to really like wear all these things out and like really vibe in it. So I'm already thinking about scenario situations, spots to wear everything. So like, comment below what you like, subscribe to my channel, because I will be posting all that good stuff with all the good looks for all my good ladies all day. Okay, and I'm gonna show you exactly what it's hitting for.